friends, today I have come up with one easy and quick snack recipe, egg bhajji, which can be quickly made at home with very few ingredients. So let's quickly get started. In a bowl, take 2 cups of besan or fried gram flour. Add half spoon of cooking soda. And add salt as per the taste. Now sieve the flour into the bowl. Now add 1 big spoon of chili powder, 1 big spoon of dhania powder, and if you like you can add little cumin powder as well. Now add half spoon of ginger and garlic paste. Now blend the flour by adding little water at a time. The batter should not go thin. Keep blending it properly so that there are no lumps, and it should be thick as shown in the video so that it will be coated to the eggs properly. Now take oil necessary for deep frying. Meanwhile, cut the hard boiled eggs into halves and keep ready. Once heated, dip each sliced egg into the batter and gently drop into the oil. Do not overcrowd the pan. Let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes or till it turns into golden brown color. You can flip the egg after one side is cooked so that both sides will be evenly cooked. Now you can see that it got a nice color. Take this into strainer. Now follow the same process for rest of the eggs. And I can tell you a perfect combination for this snack, that finely chop onions, sprinkle some chaat masala over it and squeeze a slice of lemon. You can cut the bhaji into half and stuff this mixture between and have it. It will really taste amazing. Now see, this eggs are cooked. Now take this into strainer, and that's it. It's very easy and quick recipe. Please try this at home and let me know how did it come. Hope you like this recipe. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.